Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video. This one for Jon D of Washington. John, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Jasper motherboard, 16 megabyte NAND. So we did the RGH service using a Matrix V1 and the RGH 1.2 method. As you can see, that provides really nice fast boot times there. The blue LEDs. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. By default here, you're going to see the console is going to start directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Be sure to take a look at the other videos linked in your final confirmation email. There's a playlist link to a series by XX Modded Warfare where he explains how to do pretty much everything on an RGH, and then there's another little video link by me with just a basic walkthrough of how to navigate between Freestyle and the various other softwares that are preloaded and stuff here. So you go through the file manager and you can browse down to the hard drive and see Dash Launch or Aurora Dash, whatever you want to do there. So definitely thank you for your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing ready to go. It'll actually ship out tomorrow because today is still a holiday. So thanks very much.